Hi everyone, my name is Han. My topic for sustainable resources is air quality. Air quality is a very important part of daily life. It decides our life quality because breathing bad and polluted air every day will cause many diseases, such as phthisis, asthma, and so on. These are the most intuitive, straightforward, and direct influences that appear among people. My opinion of sustainable resources of air quality is if the air can keep refreshing and offering, human being will have inexhaustible good quality air to use.
The issue I want to discuss about is the effect of poor air quality in Australia. I will discuss from three aspects based on the initial article. Air pollution takes toll on China's tourism. Last week, New South Wales has experienced a big bushfire. Tens of thousands of hectares of bush destroyed, and with conditions expected to worsen throughout the week with high temperature and poor air quality. New South Wales Health says many areas in the state are experiencing poor to very poor air quality, even hundreds of kilometers away from the fires. Here is the map that showing the extent of the bushfire. The red part in the second picture is the bush which was burned by the fire. Let's have a look at the economic. Because of the bushfire, government put lots of human and material resources in it, and also some houses have been destroyed by bushfire. Many people became homeless. Therefore, the government has a huge expenditure. It is a big economic loss. Culture seems to have no affair with air quality, but if we consider it more deep, air quality can influence culture to a certain extent. Last week, a discarded cigarette is suspected of starting a grass fire at Sydney Olympic Park that damaged or destroyed 80 cars. Education background decides one person's quality. If this person has high education, he or she will not discard a cigarette and this event will not happen. Therefore, culture will affect the air quality. What will the bad air quality bring to society? There are many answers, but we focus on the acid rain. What is acid rain? How is it formed? Acid rain is any form of precipitation with high levels of nitric and sulfuric acids. So, how do nitric and sulfuric acids come from? When people burn fossil fuels, nitric and sulfuric acids are released into the atmosphere. When those waste air flow into the atmosphere, the air is polluted and the quality is damaged. What does the acid rain affect? Acid rain will harm trees, plants, and buildings. It will damage leaves and limit nutrients, and it also acidize appearance of buildings. I interviewed my friend about the effect of bushfire on air quality. Here is the interview.
Hi Bing, what do you think about the impact of bushfire on air quality?
Bushfire is caused by the high temperature and the low humidity. Bushfire makes a lot of dust and smoke, and it affects humans' life and influence people's health.
Let's compare to China. Criticism of poor air quality is believed to contribute to the decline in tourism in China. Foreign tourists prefer to go to countries with beautiful sceneries and quality air. The poor air quality in China makes its tourism less competitive in global market, which led to an enormous economic loss. And a small part of people who don't have high education, they cut trees and plants without permit and sell the trees and plants. This behavior badly destroyed the ecological system. And also in China, many historical sites, especially old buildings, are destroyed by acid rain. Some of statues even cannot be recognized. After I did this research, I noticed that we cannot throw cigarettes in some places, especially in the forest. Air quality is related to culture, economic, and society. Bad air quality causes many problems. Air quality is not only for humans to breathe, but also for everything in this world. The key factor to achieve sustainability of air quality is the enhancing law and education and the development of green alternative energy.